Friends, I am going to explain about my project title. Myself Nehru from MCA student at University, and my internal guide Mr. VJ Suresh, assistant professor of MCA department. And my project title is Smartphone Real-Time Application Models in Cloud Computing. In my abstract, mobile devices are increasingly becoming an essential part of human life as the most effective and convenient communication tools, not bounded by time and place. Accumulate rich experience. Integration brings services and facilities. Simplest and infrastructure happen outside. Centralized computing platforms accessed over wireless connection based on thin native client. These are my existing system gaining popularity. In smartphones, there may be having a gaining much of popularity, increasing in complexity and demand in computational resource. Unsuitable application. There may be error file like that based on partial offloading. Here, there may be some error files are happening. Major hardware and software level changes and should be done in both level. Proposed system enhancement of proposed existing system. Designed for Android platform supports both remote and local based computational offloading. Offload the computational in any Java JVM file. Does not support untrustworthy users. Need to standardize the mobile cloud computing platform and refine the data management system. System requirements. Hardware requirements: system core i3 processor, hard disk 500 GB, monitor LED, RAM 2 GB. Software requirements: operating system Windows 7 Professional, coding language Java and Swing. Front-end tool NetBeans 7.0 IDE. These are the modules I am going to implement. First one, integration module. Second, user registration. Third one is authentication and authorization. Fourth one, response and download. And fifth one, cloud services. These are the module description. Module 1, integration. Integration of mobile devices with cloud computing. That means the mobile device connection with the cloud support. Multiple service with different service provider. There may be a number of services there in my first module. And the second module, user registration module, is registration of user. When cloud user, there may be having a register purpose, then only they are accessing the file. Enable or disable the computational uploading. Third one, authentication and authorization module. Checking detail. In that module, we can checking the person detail, everything. Authorize user allocation and data access. Fourth one, response and download. Updating the user details or account. We can updating the person details, everything, etc. Upload or download user application or needs. Resource usage PF free. Fourth, fifth one, cloud services. Common cloud services, example map, recording, storing image and video, etc. Process of offloading to the user. These are the diagram for the process of offloading structure. Start. First one, start. Then go to the offloading enable. If the offloading enable yes means it will go to the resource available. Otherwise, it will go to the normal execution. After the resource available is valuable, it will go to the offloading favorable. Otherwise, it will go to the normal execution. Once if the offloading favorable, go to the next level. Otherwise, it will go to the end session. These are the architecture diagram of my project. Mobile device connected with the satellite services and through internet via cloud services, and to retrieve the output access point via mobile devices. These are my system design contextual diagram. Here smartphone that may be connected with service provider and the server. These are my data flow diagram. Here starts with the smartphone. If I am going to normal login means I am going to log in with my local system. If I am going to log in with remote server means I am going to connect it with cloud login means it will go to the file upload file or forward file or download file. Otherwise, what file I am going to uploading and what file I am to storage file, it will go to the forward it to the another file, and how to retrieve the client to our server, etc. Use case diagram. In that diagram, smartphone request to the application, otherwise it will check the cloud that may be checking purpose needed. Then only use the smartphone user, there may be having some registration, then only can access the offloading favorable. Otherwise, after that it will checking the authentication, then only giving response, then only it will go to the uploading or downloading of the file. These are activity diagram. Like then only giving a request, then only it will go to the type of what type of application I am going to handling. If giving normal app, it will go to the response file, otherwise it will go to the not applicable. When proceeding the file, it will go to the upload or downloading file is needed. Sequence diagram, here smartphone 1, smartphone 2, service provider, server, everything is there. Request for application, it will go to the checking for post, after it will giving a response. After that smartphone 2, it will giving a request, then it go to the checking. After it should register mean, it will go to the allowing purpose, then only it will not allow mean, it will go to the not favorable. These are integration module, connection with other user by which it checks whether the user is available or not. The state waiting is means that checking the address, otherwise if the location is true, then change the connected state. These are the module of the output page of the first module. Waiting page, that is the main server is waiting for allocating the process. File transaction request, after getting connected, file transfer is activated, which consists of source address, destination address, file path length. After it reads the input file and send it to the destination. These are the output of the following file. Please enter the destination. It will choose the IP address of the following file. After please choosing a file, what type of file I am going to adding a file. That file I am going to implementing. That file has been sent to another file. Input from source. After connection, the destination address are shown by which we can choose our destination. If the destination is false, then it shows no file is to access. These are the output of the following file. File transaction file. The following code, what happened is once the destination node is selected file, the file transaction is occurred and shows file transfer message. If the file sending is failed, that show the error sending failed unsuccessful. These are the output of the destination file of the once I complete my file sending, it will show the file transfer location. These are sending file. After connection file is the same the occur which shows file destination and next core address according to the user request and transaction is given. These are the output of the following file. Destination page, after transaction, if the destination address is true, the receiver is true. If the address is incorrect, the sending is failed. Once the file received is gives the path length file input. These are the output of the following file. These are the test case I am going to implement in my project. Functional testing, valid user address are taken, send and receive files. Invalid address input files are rejected. System testing, to send and receive files, node address required. If the incorrect node address is file is rejected. Black box testing, user need to have a knowledge about program. Errors and correction are fun satisfaction. Performance testing, there is no time limit for the user. Give the retrieval. Acceptance testing, move concentrated part of files and send. User must receive if there is no error sending unit message. User needs to know there is a file has sent successfully. Future enhancement, the mobile cloud application models that are based on argument execution of the smartphone. In the cloud, request synchronization of the smartphone and the cloud by the process of offloading. This model can be enhanced in use of Windows platform also. Thanking you.